Welcome to our channel
and welcome to day 6 of the Orlando series. Day 6 already.
Nearly a week, which
Crazy.
is pretty mad.
But we're off to do something exciting today. It's not a theme park.
It's not
a shopping outlet. It's a
water park day.
We are off to Typhoon Lagoon.
One thing about us is like one of our favourite things to do as a couple is a water park. Whenever we go on like trips or whatever, like if you've been subscribed for a while, we did Dubai, we went to all the water parks.
Yeah,
there,
Aquaventure was like our favourite day in Dubai. Like it was, I mean, the proposal was the best moment, but we talked about like the activities we did. Aquaventure was our favourite, wasn't it? We loved it. We can't wait to go back.
So I mean, if we can plan a holiday and we can get a water park in, then it's a win-win for us. And you know, kudos to Disney because there's that option when you're booking as well. So
I think it's a shame that they like alternate between Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah, I think it'd be nice in the package.
You would have liked Blizzard Beach because it's like good theming, but it's just an excuse. We'll have to come back at the opposite time of the year to go to Blizzard Beach.
That one.
Yeah,
but it is a water park day. We're excited. We're obviously all prepped. Funky shorts on.
We're all sun creamed up. I've just got me fluey dress on from yesterday, so I can. We've got our spare clothes thereafter. Yeah. Tip of the day: water park. Always make sure you have spare dry clothes and underwear.
And that's the thing, because a lot of people assume like when you go to a water park place like Dubai or even Florida, hot by nature, that I'll be dry by the time I finish. You won't. Your shorts are always going to be wet.
And you want to be in the pool at the last minute anyway.
Yeah.
Well, we do.
So we're going to head out there. What we are going to do as well is we brought waterproof cases. So what we're going to do is swap from the camera to
Inspired by Gemma bought them to Dubai. If you saw them in the vlog, we borrowed our friend Gemma's.
And that went really well, didn't it?
So I bought our own.
Yeah. So that went well. The videos turned out really good. So like, okay, cool. We obviously want to vlog, bring you guys along. It's a bit more tricky with the camera.
Oh yeah, we're not bringing the camera basically. So this is the last clip before the water park. You'll see on the camera. We'll see you in the evening because we are going to pop out later, but we'll
bring the camera flat and stuff, bits and bobs. But no, for now we're going to get ourselves ready. Well, we're packed. We're just going to head to reception, get ourselves an Uber, switch to the camera, and let's go and ride some water slides.
Switch to the phone. We're on the camera.
Switch to the phone and go and ride some big slides.
Let's go.
We have made it. We are so ready for this one, aren't we? We love a water park. Let's get in because I can already feel the sun beating down on us. We're in, but it seems to not want to let anyone in this morning. Ticket scanning.
Yeah, one of the things wasn't working properly, but
had to try a few different bits and bobs. It wasn't going green. Mine kept flashing blue.
Mine flashed blue once, and I did it the second time.
But we're in. Yeah, we've got 10 AM till 5 PM. Right now it is
just coming up to 11.
So plenty of time, I think.
Oh yeah, 100%.
I don't know what you're feeling, but I always like a little bit of a lazy river to climatise when we first come in.
To, like, dip your toes in first,
see how cold it's going to be. So that's what we're going to head for first. Put the bag in the lockers, find the lazy river, and just check it out. Turns out there's loads of low-level sprinkly systems here that we weren't aware of, and we were just like blasted from like shins down with hot. Not going to complain, but when you're walking around holding your possessions, it caught us off guard at first, didn't it? We've found a nice little spot on the beach. And now we're going to head into the lazy river, really get this day started.
Because you're lazy.
Yeah, we are. Great start for Brogan, a bit of Hannah Montana to kick the day off. Turns out my shoulders are just too wham to fit in the ring. I'm going to have to sit on it, I think. Go on, Brogan, in the splash zone. Lovely. Nice, isn't it? I did see the duck. I didn't get him on camera though. Oh, I'm off. I've hit the bubbly. First thoughts? Nice. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? It's one of those where even if we get really sweaty walking around, a quick jump in the lazy river or pool and you're good to go again. Oh wow. I'm not even sure if we're in camera. Can't see, but that was pretty intense. Brogan's a bit worried.
Let me borrow the cap for a second. I'm just trying to protect my eyes.
Cool.
That's what I stood doing like this. So.
There's a big waterfall coming up. Let me show you. That was like the first real soaker of the day.
What?
Ooh, that was like the first real soaker of the day.
Yeah.
It was. Good start. This is probably also the busiest lazy river we've been on in a while.
It's like quite small.
Yeah.
Like narrow.
It is quite narrow. There's a lot of traffic, a lot of congestion. So, well, that definitely woke us up. Brogan got fed up of pushing herself around, so she's gone for the ultimate deluxe comfort. If this was an Uber, this would be the comfort version. Look at that. Happy days. So am I jealous?
Yeah, you're jealous.
No. Because regardless if I stay in this ring or you stay in that, I'm going to have to push you. No, I'm quite happy here. Been in the park, what, 15 minutes, and Brogan already said to me,
you look sunburned.
hope not. Powered and literally lathered up in the Factor 50. Oh, here's the Hannah Montana Bridge again. It's basically as you go around there playing a few games with you or answering questions or something. Yeah, guess the song. Which wasn't hard for Brogan because she's obsessed with Hannah Montana. Harrison's
just gone into the wave pool. I'm just sat on the edge because he wants to experience the Typhoon Lagoon big wave. But I don't know when it's going to happen because the little waves are on at the minute. But I don't know, I can see him in the distance, so we shall see. Also, who knows if you can be able to hear us through this one. You could hear us through Gemma and Leon's phone case, but I don't know about this one.
After just getting obliterated by the waves, we've decided it's time to do some two-person slides, just me. So we're just checking out the map, figuring out where the next location is. We're going to do some slides and then have some lunch. We're just figuring out.
Well, they're body slides, so you'll want to do them.
Yeah, what are some ring rides, like 2 people rides we can do together.
So number 9.
Yeah.
And number 12 are 2 raft ones.
Yeah.
That one will be the long way. That's like the water coaster.
Nice.
Over here though, 6 and 5. Multi-person raft, 5. Right,
yeah, that's a bit of us.
Maybe over 6 and 5.
Yeah, should we head over that way first?
Over there, the little ones.
Yeah, why don't we start with those 2?
Yes, we probably just keep going that way. Just follow the path.
Let's do it. Although these are great, oh, they're freezing. They do keep the floor cooler. We're just heading up to our first double ride of the day. 5-minute wait, Gangplank Falls. But Brogan's definitely right. We're going to keep the water shoes on, but it's great because they spray the floor and everything, so it is a lot cooler on the feet. So good job, Florida. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh! Another one! Uh-oh! Oh! 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 We're getting drenched! Oh! First proper slide of the day, and that was an absolute soaker. You would have probably seen how well we got. We're coming on some single person tubes now. But we're very wet, aren't we?
Yeah.
Woo! Woohoo! Single tube rides. This is going well. Whizzing around. Oh, we're picking up some speed now, baby. Oh yeah. Woo! Well, let's go. Oh, flip. Hear that? Oh my god. It's pretty bumpy. Oh. I hope the camera's picking some of this up. Whoa! Whoa! 360! Oh, I'm gonna go in backwards. It's time to do our favourite thing in a water park. Head on a 2-person slide. Hopefully this one goes upside down, is in the dark, and all sorts. I think you said this one's a bit like a roller coaster?
No, is it the ones in Dubai where all the water comes over the top of you?
Oh, brilliant. Well,
I'll have to have the cap.
We'll be sure to get some footage of this for you.
I don't understand though, there's 3 like outfits.
Aha.
I thought there was only one thing.
I have no idea. But I think we're going to find out real soon.
Can I have the cap, please?
You can. So it turns out there's 3 rides within Crusher's Gusher.
I'm guessing this is my radio.
All double rider. We're going on Banana Blaster first, which is up quite a lot of flights of stairs. I've had a quick little break to a video and have a breather. Right. Slide 1, Banana Blaster. rolling with this theme of kids' meals.
Graham crackers.
Hot dog, prunes on a burger, drinks, lunchtime. We need this now.
Yeah. What did we get, Harrison?
A pineapple upside down
cone.
Dole Whip.
Dole Whip.
How exciting.
First bite. I got a bit of pineapple, a bit of Dole. The only Dole Whip I've ever had is from Cookie Freaks on Team Valley.
Oh.
If you don't know, get to know.
Pineapple.
Did you have a bit of the Dole? Get a bit of the Dole, Harrison.
Delicious. It's us. Back in the hotel room. Not at the waterpark. We are back. We had a great rest of the day.
Yeah, just having a snack, sorry.
We pretty much had some food. You'd obviously seen bits of. Had some Dole Whip. Went on some rides that we wanted to go on again. Lazy River. All that jazz. One of the nice things was it does close earlier than the Disney park. So closed at 5. We left maybe like 4:20.
Yeah.
We'd obviously done everything we wanted to do. And then gone on re-rides of everything we wanted to do. So the plan for this evening, which we're obviously going to bring you along for, is we're heading to Walmart now because we're out of water and running low on snacks. And most mornings we've been having breakfast in the room. We've not got any breakfast stuff. Then we're going to head out for something to eat. And then we're going to do some laundry.
Laundry! A really exciting night coming your way.
Yeah, so you're getting the full experience of what it's like to live in a hotel for 2 weeks.
With us.
Yeah. Right, let's grab an
Uber
Uber to Walmart. We're back doing what is basically our weekly shop. We're here 1 week ago. We're in Brogan's favourite section.
I'm freezing.
Well, it's quite chilly in here today, isn't it? This is a serving I can get behind. Also, I've noticed they've got huge amounts of sauce. They have Nando's sauce, like way back up there. I've never actually seen a Nando's in America. Brogan's already eyeing up the mac and cheese because we've got the microwave, and I'm assuming she wants to make the most of it. Is it microwave or mac and cheese?
No.
Oh, well, that sucks a bit, doesn't it? The good thing about America is they have like a million different flavours for every snack. And we've just picked up some ranch Pringles. Not sure if they're going to be any good. They're only $2. And like Brogan said, if she doesn't like them, I'll eat them anyway. No surprise, Walmart is so big that their makeup section and all that is so big. And Brogan's been harassing me to come back so she can buy this Brooklyn and Bailey stuff. And now she's found it and filled 3/4 of the trolley with it. We are done with our trip to Walmart.
That
as you
was so
said.
random. I was looking the other way and Harrison just started talking.
What we'll do is we'll do a little haul once we get back because we are currently on our way for some tea. We have chosen Chili's. It's 7:30 and we've got to eat and we're fancying if we've got space and time to do laundry. And we've chosen Chili's tonight. We need to, but it looks a little bit busy. There are people waiting, machines going, so if we get the chance, we'll obviously do it. But we have to eat first because we haven't eaten a lot today. And Chili's is on the list to try out. And there's one a 10-minute walk up the road. So we're nearly there now. And we'll show you what we eat and what the vibe's like.
Yeah, hopefully it's good.
Hopefully there's something for Brogan. First problem, there's a lot to choose from. A lot of options.
Less for me because I have to do it off the vegetarian list.
Yep. That's the state we're in.
I mean, you can't really see there.
I am burnt to a crisp. We've been to Chili's. We've come back. I took my top off for a little bit of a cool down in front of the aircon. Thought it was just my shoulders were burnt, and actually it's a lot of me.
I just need like a swim top.
Yeah.
It's very, very. Even though like we're layering on factor 50 constantly, like I'm very sun cream.
Her skin absorbs it, mine just burns.
No, but I mean like we've got to keep on top of sun cream, we've got to do that, like we're very careful, but Harrison just burns regardless. No matter what happens.
It doesn't hurt or anything, it just looks funny.
We've got over stuff though, so he's going to put that on.
But I tell you where we've been, because we've had a right palaver. Well, I think we said to you before we went out to Chili's, well before we went to Walmart, we were going to go to Walmart, we were going to go to Chili's, do the washing, and we had a right palaver. There was like none of the washing machines on site were free. People had obviously, it run its cycle and people hadn't come to collect the clothes yet. Yeah. So we're waiting, so we eventually found a free one, and then where you put the tokens in, the coin holder was full, so then it was like taking our tokens and not letting us use it.
Like the detergent.
Yeah, it took the detergent twice, took 4 of our coins. I then went to reception, got some more tokens, and they're like, I think it's the thing that's full, go and try another one. We
basically got all the money back. We actually made a profit in tokens.
We did. Found one that was free, one that was working. The washing itself took like was 36 minutes. So we've gone and done that. We've just set it off on the tumble dryer, which is 1 hour. Hence why we're so sweaty, because actually the one that's on our level is on the ground floor, is the one that's not working. The one we've had to use is on the 4th floor.
We could get the lift, but we'll just get the stairs.
So it's been quite a active and sweaty evening. So now we've got like 50 minutes to kill. And when we do eventually go and collect the washing, we'll take you with us and round off the vlog. But yeah, we just wanted to update you to what has happened between Chili's and looking like this.
Yeah, I've been in the shower already. I'm in my Webucks t-shirt, I Wanna Spoil Kitty, and I'm just going to brush my hair because I washed it. Yeah,
I'm just going to stay like this in front of the aircon until we've collected it, then shower. Anyways, time to kill, and then we'll catch you in a bit. It's 11:26.
And the hotel is pumping.
And apparently the tumble dryer should be done.
Hopefully everything's dry.
Let's go and check it out. Also, the bugs are in full force as well. It's because all the lights are on. Yeah. Mission accomplished. And that's the bag full of shopping.
On the way there, I felt like it all fit in the Asda bag better, but on the way back I couldn't get it all in.
It's expanded with the heat. Anyway, the little sheets that came with the lint sheets, it doesn't smell like.
Yeah.
But, oh well, we've got the stuff, which is the main thing.
And were they meant to like disintegrate in the tumble dryer?
Yeah, I'm not really sure. Yeah. And it's interesting as well, because like it's a thing, isn't it? Like in the UK, we all have like your washing machines in house, whereas a lot of American houses don't. They all go to the laundry.
No, I was going to say one of the main differences is that their washing machines are like over the top washing machines.
Yeah, not door on the front.
Yeah.
You always have to like climb in.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. I quite like watching the washing machine go around, and you don't get that experience here.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Success. The clothes are clean. That's the main thing.
We've got it now, so let's get back to the room.